Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can add a signature in Aol Mail. So to begin the process, first thing is open the Aol application. Now once you open the Aol, you will be at the home page. You need to tap on the profile icon of yours on the top left. Tap that. This will give you all this option, and from the option you tap on setting. In the settings section, you need to scroll down to the general setting. There you will have this signature option on the very top. Tap that signature. So for you to add a signature, you can customize signature for each account, or you can include signature in every new message that you are going to compose. So I'm going to go and tap on the include signature in new message. Tap on the toggle and you tap on the text box below. Now you need to remove the message that is already there. Now you provide the new signature for your Aol Mail. Now once you provided the signature, you need to go back. Just tap on the back arrow on the top left. You can provide or you can write up to 1000 words. Tap on the back. I'm just gonna go back to the home page, then tap on inbox. Now I will show you how this signature will look on Aol composed mail. Tap on the compose icon or the pen icon on the top right. Now you can see in the body section of the mail, there is already the signature that you have just added. Now this signature will be in every new message that you will compose in Aol. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.